So we are going to do the second experiment in chemistry 2 lab. So we are going to talk about the nitration of acetanilide and methyl benzoate, and we are going to do nitration using nitronium ion. As you guys know, it is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So this is the first part which we are going to do, and this is the second part which we are going to do. Let's start with the first part. First, we have to prepare the solution of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. And this solution, which is written over here, we are going to use this solution to make a nitration of this compound and this compound. So basically, there is a two-part here: nitration of acetanilide and nitration of methyl benzoate, and this is what we are going to do right now. Okay, this is what we are going to do right now. Means this is the reaction which we are going to do right now. So the first part here is to make the solution of nitronium ion, and this is basically by using nitric acid and sulfuric acid. So as you can see here, we have the sulfuric acid and we have the nitric acid. Just for the time, I mix this solution over here, and I have now the solution which we need. So the solution of the nitronium ion, we have it over here, and also I already have like half gram of acetanilide, and this is what we are going to use it. Okay, so let's see how can we do the reaction. I'm just going to follow the procedure over here. So the first thing is you add the half gram of acetanilide, as we can see over here. Okay, and we are going to mix this compound, which basically is this compound, the acetanilide here. We are going to mix it with sulfuric acid. So we need about 1 ml of sulfuric acid to dissolve this half gram of the compound. So this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to use 1 ml of sulfuric acid. So basically you can do this reaction in conical flask, you can do it in beaker, you can do it even in tube, should be okay. Okay, so I will just, for sake of making it easy for you guys to see, I will do it in the beaker here. So they mention after this, after we do this, we just have to heat it a little bit. So we have heated hot plate here. So the reason why I'm going to heat it is just to make it soluble. So as you can see here, it is not soluble. So I'm going to make sure it is soluble. Okay, now so it is soluble, as we can see over here. So basically what we have here is the sulfuric acid and our compound, which is acetanilide. Okay, so let's look at the next step. So next step, they said we just have to cool it down a little bit. So we have ice over here. So I'm just trying to cool it down. Why? Because I need to add my nitrating solution. So this is my nitrating solution, which is a mixture of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This is what I want to add to this compound. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, this is a little bit, let's make sure it is cold enough. Okay, so the next step is what? Is to add dropwise our nitrating solution. So this is what I'm going to do right now. While I'm stirring it, I will keep adding. So I'm going to add my compound over here. Now I don't need the ice bath, so I'll just stir this a little bit. So I will leave the compound to make sure the compound is going to react. And let's see how long it will take. So basically, guys, this is going to take about half hour. Okay. So I'm going to stop right now, and I will come after half hour.